Sithelo Shozi, the mayor of Durban, and where else would I be? In my home ground, Moses Mabhida, here after the Golden Arrows game, and I am so happy, so exhilarated after they win. Don't forget to follow our pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel of Up Back Through Podcast, and follow everything lifestyle, soccer, and news, fashion, everything lifestyle. Love you guys. Mwah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda usithelo wakashozi ngemva kokuthi ku-circulate video yakhe labonakala khona se-stadium akhuluma. I think it's Moses Mabhida if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So bekagqoke i-crop top ugirl nesiketi nyana nje lesincanyana. So people were busy talking about siso sakhe bathi hayibo sinani siso. People were just dragging ugirl ngesisu sakhe. I think kungasekudala ugirl a few weeks back, I think when the tummy tuck, is it tummy tuck or BBL, I'm not sure guys, angizazi lezi zinto, but yeah lalungisa khona mtimba wakhe. So usase process, I think like she's still in her healing journey, usengakaphuli kahle. So people dragged her ngemva babone isiso sakhe bathi hayibo girl sinani siso. Singasho guys igqwala emlomo ukuthi BBL yasithelo shows it's the best. Ibody yakhe nje itiye o lapha yana uyabona na ukuthi vele ukuthi usahila. So people started dragging isisu sakhe bathi hayibo girl wayengagqoki kahle, wayengcoka isikibha lezivala if uyabona ukuthi isisu sakho sesinjena. Yo guys, people are just coming for usithelo shows, but if ungaya ku Instagram bokubukebi guys, we know ukuthi usithelo ibody yakhe iti yinhle nje. She's one of the people abamende iBBL lenhle alesemgangathweni lena belisako. Asikase sebantu bamdreka ngeBBL yakhe, asikase we've heard badreka boSign Boji bathi ibame njengama rugby player, but with usithelo abakase bantu bamdreka ngeBBL yakhe because iBBL yakhe guys it's the best. Went nje Dr. Lowati ispan sakhe, and balabaningi they were uploading span sakhe ukuthi cha usishayile lapha kusithelo mtimba wakhe litiya. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Do you think it's fair for people ukuthi badrege abantu besifazane, especially if you're a woman dragging another woman mtimba wakhe? Why so kwenda lokho? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.